trying to make it look, how they say, aesthetically pleasing. When they say that word, it kind of annoys me. But either way, I'm just trying to make it look a little, you know, make it look delicious. Good job, guys. Give yourselves a hand clap. Whew. Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a what I eat in a day to lose weight video. And guys, in this video, I will show you all how I utilize my time while I'm on my weight loss journey, as far as me cooking, cleaning, and also working out. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, guys, so it is the night before. And I just put me a piece of salmon in the oven because I know I wanted to eat salmon for my lunch the next day. While the salmon was cooking, I went on ahead and did some cleaning around our home. And guys, that's the way to utilize your time. You can go ahead and start preparing your meals early. If you decide what you want to eat the day before, go ahead and prepare your meals the day before. So while something is cooking in the oven, you can utilize that time to do a little cleaning around the house. Okay, my beautiful people, it is currently the next day and it's time for me to eat breakfast. And for this morning, I am going to have some cereal. And guys, one thing about it, whenever you're on a weight loss journey or a lifestyle change, you want to kind of change things up a little bit. So for this morning, I decided I wanted cereal, and I haven't had cereal in a while. So yeah, guys, it was really, really good and I really enjoyed it. So guys, you just have to always find out what works for you. However, please make sure you eat breakfast each and every day because breakfast is so important. Okay guys, it is now lunchtime. I just put my Brussels sprouts in the oven. That's going to be part of our dinner for tonight. Right now it's lunchtime, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make me a quick lunch, something healthy. So I have my salmon here that I cooked last night. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this rice veggie blend. And it says it's an Asian stir fry. And has rice, cauliflower, red bell peppers, fire roasted corn, sweet peas, and seasoning. So this is something that I'm going to put in the microwave. It's quick, simple, and easy, guys. And so I'm going to put this in the microwave. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a little bit of this because I'm actually going to save most of this for our dinner tonight because I am going to make a grain bowl. Guys, as you all can see, I got a little bit of the cauliflower rice mix, and it's not that much. And I also have it in a saucer dish, which is a small plate, because I am portion controlling as well. You know, during your weight loss journey, you want to make sure you portion control the best way you can so you won't overeat or overdo it. Now I'm going to take my salmon, which I heated up, and put it with the rice cauliflower. And guys, let me just say, this is going to be a high protein, low carb meal, and it looks really good, and I can't wait to taste it, guys. Nice healthy meal. Vegetables, even though they are frozen, it's still vegetables, guys. Make sure you get your vegetables in each and every day. as much as possible. Also with my lunch, guys, I'm going to have 2 bottles of water. Okay, my chat partners, so I just got done eating my lunch. And let me just say the salmon was really, really good. I got a couple of minutes, so let me just do a quick workout. And guys, I got this kettlebell here. It is an 8-pound kettlebell, and I got it from Five Below. And it got some weight to it. I should have gotten 2 of them, but I only got 1. Being that I just got done eating lunch, I'm not going to do any type of jumping or anything. I'm just going to do like a quick little arm workout just to get my body moving, get my blood flowing, you guys, because I am someone that if I eat and work out, I get sick and I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I might just throw up, especially if I do some jumping or something like that. So it's not gonna be any jumping jacks or anything like that. It's still gonna be like somewhat of a full body workout. It's gonna be more of an arm workout. This will be my first time actually doing a little workout. That's why I haven't been having any workout content in the last couple of my videos, because I haven't worked out in like 2 weeks. And like I said before, when I work out, I like to be focused. I like to have my mind clear and everything like that. And however I'm pushing myself, and guys, you have to just push yourself and do just some type of movement each and every day. So yeah, guys, so let's get started. So first things first, pull this up. I didn't even put my waist trainer on or my Fitbit because I don't need it, because I'm not gonna work out for so long because I just got done eating. So I wanna let my food digest some. However, I still wanna move my body a little bit. So first things first, I'm gonna like warm up a little bit. Just go to the side, side to side. And I'm gonna do this for about 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's 30 seconds to me. I know sometimes like the clock, it's like it takes a long time, but when I'm counting, those are my seconds, guys. So, got that little stretch going on a little bit. Go down as far as you can go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First things first is lift the legs to start getting the blood flowing a little bit. 30 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 29, 30. Good job, guys. Okay, so now elbow to knee, opposite direction, 30 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30. Whew. I'm feeling the burn already. Guys, comment below and let me know while watching this video if you got up and worked out with me and if you felt the burn as well. Okay, all right. So now, one leg, this leg here, this leg back here. Gonna lift this up 30 seconds, then opposite side, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. All right, guys. Whew. Now let's do the other leg. Let's get started. Leg up, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good job, guys. Give yourselves a hand clap. Whew. I'm already breathing my heart. All right. Okay, guys. So now, what I'm gonna do is take my kettlebell and do some swings. If you don't have a kettlebell, use your pocketbook. Seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 30. All right. Good job, guys. Okay, guys, so now that the Brussels sprouts are all done, I have them in a bowl and I'm going to set them to the side. And since the oven is already hot from cooking the Brussels sprouts, I'm going to go ahead on, while it's hot, just go ahead and finish cooking the other items that I need to cook to go with today's dinner. All right. Set this to the side. And I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator with the rice cauliflower that I'm going to use. Ultimate plant-based chicken nuggets. I really do like these, guys. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of these in the oven that's going to go with our grain bowl today. So these are the plant-based chicken bites that I'm going to put in the oven. And yes, I did use the same aluminum foil that I had cooked the Brussels sprouts on. There's no need to change it and waste it. So I'm going to put these in the oven, and once they are half done cooking, I'm going to turn them over, and then I'm going to add a little honey to it just to give it a little, you know, just a little sweetness to go with the grain bowl. Okay, guys, so I have some organic spinach, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the spinach and clean it, wash it off really good, and then cut it up because I'm going to add that to the grain bowl. And I want everyone to say it with me. Wash your vegetables. Wash your spinach. Wash your kale. Wash your vegetable, guys. Please, please, please. Whatever you do, wash your vegetables. Okay, beautiful people. So here are the ingredients for the grain bowl. Clean, fresh spinach. Vegan chicken bites. Red onion. Roasted Brussels sprouts. Chickpeas. Some Asian stir-fry style, which is rice, cauliflower, red bell pepper, sweet peas, and corn. So yeah, guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make the grain bowls. So the spinach is going to be the base of the grain bowl. And let that be the base of the bowl, okay? So now I'm going to take some Brussels sprouts, put it over to the side. All right. Then I'm going to take some vegan chicken bites, put that to the side. Okay, and my vegan chicken bites, guys, when I made them, I did add some honey. Now I'm going to take the chickpeas. All right. This looks and smells good already. Then I'm going to take the cauliflower rice and I'm just pouring that out because I'm just using one hand. Trying to make it look, how they say, aesthetically pleasing. When they say that word, it kind of annoys me. But either way, I'm just trying to make it look a little, you know, make it look delicious. And then I'm going to take these red onions. I'm just going to take them out with my hand and just flourish it on there. The red onion is going to be for the crunch. I'm going to try to move it over so you guys can see. You guys pretty much know what's in here. So yeah, guys, this is what my grain bowl is looking like, guys. It looks so good, and I can't wait to try it. Some people might call it a salad, but I'm calling it a grain bowl. You call your food what you want to call it. And guys, you know what? Whenever you're going through a weight loss journey, lifestyle change, or just trying to eat healthy and better, come up with recipes and just make what you have at home. This is food that I had at home. As you guys can see earlier, my Brussels sprouts, they was on their last leg, so I went on ahead and roasted them. Had a can of chickpeas left, had the vegan chicken bites, had the spinach, and I had some red onions. I had the rice cauliflower, and I ate some of that with my salmon for lunch. And I had some left over, so I knew I was going to make a grain bowl today. So yeah, guys, it's always good to plan your meals ahead of time so you'll already know what you're going to eat. And that way it just make things so much easier for you and to make things quicker. And a lot of times, like today, I actually cook my food throughout the day, or I cook it early in the day. This is my grain bowl. So yeah, guys, like I said, come up with recipes, and you have to come up with food. You know what foods you like. Just put them together and just come up with recipes of your own and just do what works for you. And guys, this is something healthy because I do have the vegan chicken bites. That's my protein. Chickpeas is protein as well, and it's good with fiber. Red onion, which is fresh. Vegetable, Brussels sprouts was a fresh vegetable, and also the spinach. So yeah, guys, I can't wait to try this. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of dressing to it. It's made of cauliflower, almond butter, garlic, lemon juice, herbs, and shallots. So I think I'm going to add just a little bit of that to it so it won't be so dry. Well, not so dry, but just to add a little to it, just to give it a little extra kick. Voila, there you have it, guys, my grain bowl. Okay, guys, and for my drink for dinner tonight, I'm going to have the hibiscus ginger beer. So that's going to be my drink for with my dinner tonight.